Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's session, I am going to explain the complete full stack developer roadmap in 2021. So what are the essential skills required to become a full stack developer in 2021? Okay, so let me explain. I have already drawn on diagram the roadmap, the complete full stack developer roadmap in 2021. Okay, so first you have to learn the basic front-end technologies, that is nothing but HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, and JavaScript. So by using HTML and CSS, we can develop look and feel websites. So these are the front-end technologies, basic front-end technologies you have to learn. Okay, so by using HTML and CSS, we can develop only look and feel websites only. That is nothing but some static website. Okay, so if you want to develop a dynamic website, then you have to learn JavaScript. So it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. So Java, irrespective of programming language, irrespective of project, so everyone using JavaScript. No doubt in that. If you are very strong in JavaScript, you will definitely get job. No doubt in that. Okay, so after learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript front-end technologies, basic front-end technologies, then you have to learn one front-end framework. Either it is AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, or Express.js. Anyone. But I highly recommended two frameworks you must learn to survive in IT industry and to get job and to get more high package as well. So that is nothing but AngularJS and React.js. These are the most high demanding skills to get job in 2021. AngularJS or React.js. So these are the front-end frameworks to make the responsive web apps. Okay, to make the dynamic web apps. Okay, and then after learning front-end frameworks, you must learn one back-end technology. That is nothing but, see, it is based on your interest. So you can learn Java or Python or C# or Ruby and Rails and PHP or Node.js. Anyone you can learn one backend programming language. So I highly recommended you to get job to and if you are expecting more package, then Node.js is very important nowadays. I have seen many positions in our LinkedIn profiles. So combination of Angular and Node.js, there are so many openings are there, and they are giving a high package as well. If you have strong in minimum two to 3 years of experience in the combination of AngularJS and Node.js, then they will pay you what you are expecting. Okay, so and also Java and Python. Java or Python, anyone you have to learn to get jobs in 2021. Okay, so you must be become expert in any one of the programming language, backend technology. Okay, so after these technologies, you have to learn database storage softwares, because irrespective of projects, irrespective of development position, database storing is very mandatory for web applications. Different technologies are there, like relational database technologies are there, and non-relational NoSQL or database are there. Okay, so relational database technologies, you have to learn either MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, or PostgreSQL, anyone. Okay, so these are the popular one. You can learn any one technology, any one database. So, and NoSQL database technologies are there. So like MongoDB, Cassandra, Couch database, CouchDB. You have to learn either one. You must learn one RDBMS, one NoSQL. That is enough for full stack developer. You may ask, what is difference between RDBMS and NoSQL? RDBMS technologies are, they store the data in the form of tables, table based database technologies, whereas NoSQL are like a column based, okay, and key value pairs based, okay, key value column based and graph based. Okay, NoSQL storing the data in the different format, key value column based or graph based. Okay, so after learning any one of the technologies, then you have to learn Git or GitHub. It is nothing but cloud based hosting service. So in this GitHub, we are all managing let us manage the all Git repositories. Repositories are nothing but folders only. In that folder, we contain all of the source code. Okay. So after learning GitHub, we need to learn any one of the cloud service provider, either AWS, Azure or GCP. So it is used to deploy our entire project in any cloud based service. So based on the requirement, based on the resource, based on the client. Okay, and then we have to learn some containers. Containers here nothing but most popular one, Docker and Kubernetes. So Docker takes the next level by building applications and shipping into the containers. Okay, then you have to learn one, continuous integration and continuous deployment. That is nothing but Jenkins. You must learn because this is most popular one, continuous CI and CD. So Jenkins is the most popular integration and deployment software tool. Okay, next we have to learn servers, either Nginx, Apache or WebLogic. Nginx is a web server and it is mainly used for load balancing of cluster of servers. Nginx can also be used for load balancing to route the traffic between multiple servers using round robin method. So the alternative for Nginx server is Apache Tomcat, and one more server is there, application server, WebLogic server. So you have to learn any one server. Okay, so this is the complete roadmap, complete full stack developer roadmap to become a full stack developer in 2021. So one more important thing you have to learn on project methodology, that is nothing but Agile and Scrum methodology. You must follow Agile approach to develop the projects. And one more service, you have to learn microservices. So the latest one, every project following microservice architecture. Okay, so if you know all these things, then you will become expert as a full stack developer in 2021, and also you can expect a high package in any company. So if you like this video, please share to your friends also. So, and also hit the like button and also give comments if you have any doubts. I am always 24 hours ready to reply to your comments. Okay, so thank you for watching.